Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the uh, leftover days of whatever days are left in February. I know it's late, but whatever. So let's see what's there for Scorpios. So we had the Empress which popped out, and then we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, the Fool, Strength, the Ten of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Okay. So with the Empress, definitely you are starting something new, and it is something which is giving you, this new beginning is giving you a lot of abundance, lot of prosperity. Maybe actually it can be a birth of a child, but whatever it is something brand new. You are feeling very, very confident about yourself. You're feeling as if you have all the power, all the command, all the sort of capability and capacity to start something new. So you're feeling some very, very good about yourself, very confident, and with that energy you are starting something new. It is the beginning of something, okay, which is going to give you a lot of abundance, a lot of I should say, it's a very good output of whatever you are starting this. That is the vibe which with you are starting this. Okay, and one more thing is you are feeling very, very grounded in this. You are feeling very, very grounded and stable, and you have done the work which is required for this new beginning. Okay, so you are in that capacity, feeling very grounded and stable, and you are very confident in whatever you are starting. And with the Knight of Pentacles here, whatever you are starting is, it's something which is, which you have really worked on, as I said, and it's the movement is very, very wise, I should say. Slowly and steadily you are moving towards something, whatever this thing is for you, which is new, definitely. And here with the Seven of Cups, since this is a new thing, whatever this is, there is some sort of a confusion over here. You have started your venture, but yes, there is some sort of a confusion. Maybe you have many options now as you have started moving in this direction, or maybe you are confused. It can be confusion regarding many options, or it can be confusion in general. But yes, there is some sort of a confusion which has to be sorted out before you are able to cross this path or go through this path, or try or move forward, I can say. Somehow why I'm getting the vibe that it can be that you are being offered something, or you are being either you are being offered something which is not very good, in the sense like maybe somebody is giving, trying to sort of bribe or something like that, something negative, or you are being drawn to negative things, maybe towards the easier path. It can be that you are, that confusion is, you are being drawn to the negative things which do not have that positivity in them. If it is a proposal which is coming toward from somebody else, or if it is a financial thing, maybe somebody is trying to lure you, bribe you, whatever, I don't know, but it's something negative, it has something negative somehow. That is the confusion about, maybe you're not able to decide as to what to do, what not to do, because there are many lucrative things uh, which may at least look lucrative than, rather than what they actually are. It can be that also. Okay, so it can be that, so it will be different for different people, but there is something which you are being drawn to, which doesn't feel that, which doesn't actually have that positivity inside them, even if they seem to be very lucrative. Okay, it will be for some of you, not all of you. For others it can be just there is some sort of a confusion because it is a new path moving ahead. But yes, for some of you, at least, since I've got it, I think it will be resonating with at least some of you, that some confusion towards something which is being, which is looking lucrative, may not be as lucrative. Okay, and then we have the Three of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Strength. So here with the Three of Pentacles, what I feel is you are discussing this confusion. I think you are trying to sort out this confusion by discussing with your family and friends. You are trying to just trying to make up your mind as to what should be the right decision. Okay, and then because there is a confusion over here and you are discussing it, then perhaps the guidance which you are taking or the path which you're following is, okay, just take the leap of faith. Let's see what happens. So whatever it is, you are taking a leap of faith, and with the strength card here, it's not easy. Whatever this is, what you have started, maybe it is as negative, it will be different for different people. As I said, it can be the path itself, whatever you have started isn't easy. Okay, so sometimes the negativity can be that you want to give it up. It can be as simple as that also, that you want to give up this path. Okay, it's so tough. Now I started moving towards it, and I never knew it will be so tough. And okay, should I do or shouldn't I do it? So it can be that also, that you are, there's a temptation of giving it up. Okay, that is also something negative. So it can be that also, because here we have the strength card. So whatever it is which you are starting has some sort of a risk also, but yes, you are going with the flow. Okay, let's see what happens. And with the strength card being there, it is not easy, it is not an easy decision, and it is not an easy path. Both the things are coming here, and we have three major cards in the six cards here. Okay, so whatever this new beginning is, it is definitely something major. It is definitely requiring some sort of risk. It is definitely requiring a lot of courage. And whatever it is, what I feel is, you do have loyal people with you. One more thing is, you do have loyal people with you. You have people whom you can trust, or who are your backup. So your backup is there. You have people to support you. Your support group is very, very strong, I should say, and loyal to you. Okay, so yes, you are taking some sort of risks. You are moving ahead. It is a tough decision, but yes, you are doing it and you are taking it. The path isn't easy, but yes, you are doing it, and just see the beauty. Immediately following it is the Ten of Pentacles. So this courage which you are taking to take that leap of faith is giving you this commitment. It is stable. Commitment in the sense, it is something stable, it is long term, it is wish fulfillment, it is a long term stability, whatever it is. Then we have the King of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. So what I feel here is, they seem to be the components of this Ten of Pentacles. So what I feel here is, it is you and you being in power, feeling good about yourself, feeling passionate about whatever you've achieved, and feeling good about the stability which you have earned for yourselves. So what I feel here is, this is your own power which you have, I should say, gained, or the confidence which you have gained, and the you've attained that confidence, that I should say, which perhaps was to some extent being lost over here with the Seven of Cups. So it's a beautiful thing, Scorpios. Let's see what is the guidance, what is the message from this deck for Scorpios. This is the Moon card of this deck. So there is some sort of uncertainty. Just follow your intuition, listen to your inner voice. Whatever the uncertainty is, your inner voice and your intuition will guide you in the right direction. Okay, let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Eight of Thought. You may feel as though you are restricted by the circumstances you find yourself in, but that is an illusion. That's what I was saying. Maybe it is just the fear of giving it up because there are many risks over there. Make a promise to yourself to refuse to be stuck in a situation that is making you unhappy. Do not wait for someone to come in to rescue yourself when you can free yourself. Okay, so you are discussing with your family and friends, and you are taking a leap of faith and moving forward. So Scorpios, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.